Here we have a Grob 36-inch bandsaw. We got it hooked up to 460 volts, 3-phase power. We're gonna run it, show you that it works. First, we're gonna start with the blade welder. If we don't have a blade, so we use a banding tool. Banding material, sorry. You can see it's welded. So if you look down here, there's an attachment in there with air. It's an air cylinder, and it'll go out and in. That's just an added feature that we don't have the accessories, but the RAM is there if you need to use that. We'll go ahead and make a cut here. That's the cut right there. And that is a Grob 36-inch bandsaw.